welcome back to the vlog. Good morning. Yes guys, good morning to all my deals and my soon to be deals. How y'all doing? Good morning. Yeah, this is my morning voice. Huh? So what's up guys? So look at you, the rain out there? Yes, all night, all morning. Yeah. So this one is in our online class over there. She's in class right now. Pele class is out for today. I wake up. She missed her early morning devotion because boy sleep take us over. It's a little chilly because of all of the rain and stuff. So I wake up this morning, this is going and it's all night. Yes guys. So here. I'm sure good. Yeah, so this is what going on. Eh? Yeah, that's flooding. Last night when I pulled the door and look, the water comes straight up over here, so flood out. I guess it kind of cool down now, but it will flood out, and I think this is going to go on all day, all night. Them say it's supposed to get more breezy and more heavier rain, but this is what's going on right now. Yeah. I just hope it not really take. Just hope it does blow off cool down and nobody come up this way. So I set on some American porridge. That's what we're having for breakfast this morning. Like I tell you guys, I'm a little late, so because she didn't catch devotion or online devotion. But by the time she gets a break, this will be all ready. I'm gonna make some bologna sandwich with the American porridge. That's what we're gonna be having for breakfast, guys. This weather, I just want to go back and beg a curl up. It comes to wake up late and I feel so cold. Like, check. Yeah, I'm feeling so cold this morning. You know. So, I'm gonna make breakfast. You know, we're gonna just curl up into the bed, cover up. But I can't really jump asleep, you know, because now I have to start with the online school. So I have to be back and forth from my room to her. That's what my morning looking like. Always being busy with the online school. It's like me in a school myself. You have to be logging out and logging in code and make sure she gets in a class and make sure she's online, and guys, it's a little hectic. Yeah. You're like looking at yourself in a class. Like, yeah, peeping on the screen to make sure it's a class. You know, all them things that me have to do. Like, no. Oh, sorry, I talked to. So yes, guys, nobody notice my bed in a car. Trust me, my bed not spread because me have to wrap up in my sheet. Like, when they're not woman or nothing because I have to wrap up in my bed. Like me tell you, like, from the bed to the kitchen to the online schooling, that's where my morning is consist of right now. Like, peeping pan the pot, peeping pan sheet, and then come back home. Do this. Put the sheet all over me, lie down, and wait. And then go back to check. Guys, I feel cold, I feel drowsy, I just don't want to move. I wish I could just lie down right and don't get up. My school never keep today. Okay. Yes, but off on the side, I'm kind of worried. Hoping that the storm will really blow off and it don't come. And or that it will get wheaten and we just get the rain alone. But at the same time, even if we get the rain alone, they always hear about somebody getting, house being damaged, them flood out and stuff like that. I can't even think about myself, but think about others. Yes, guys. So anyway, take it. Even if it's just the rain falling constantly. Let me tell you, say it caused some damage already in the country area. So yeah, even though the rain good and it bad, it damn full, but like too much it like cause a little bit of hazard down here. I know some place just easily flood out, guys, like easily flood out a lot of places. So like I'm just showing you what last night. He said last night one time I pulled the door and look, the water full over the part which part I work, and it come way up on the veranda part right there. The yard was so, I guess because the rain cooled down a little bit during the night. It did have fallen, but it never fall so hard like before when it just come down. So that's why some of the water kind of run off back, because there's a gully behind the yard. So, come up. That's the only thing probably I would have to worry about if the hurricane or storm, whatever it is to come. That's what I would really have to worry about, the water coming. What, it class done now?
No.
Why you come out of the class, child?
Sorry, give me a break.
Him giving her a break?
Yeah, so cool.
Okay, take a snack, because the porridge not done yet. Yeah, so you don't have to take nothing big, Just take something small, because by the time I soon lunch break. I'm giving a break and I soon lunch. Must be sorry for you, must be through the rain and everything. Must be sorry, love we. Sorry, the mad, I'm supposed to wash out here. I'm weak, I want to do some laundry and I can't even do it. Trust me, guys, I'm weak. Can't do it because of the rain. So, yeah, just a let them have a little chit chat with them now. Because I just feel like.
No, I said give a break.
Why?
Everybody eat fine.
Oh, them that eat, them kids, they even don't tell them nothing.
It's not every so can't eat.
Them tell no, that was one of the rule.
The rest of class tell you, sir never tell.
Well, sir never tell no.
And teacher, them bad people, can't eat bad people.
Yeah, so that'll be the only thing we have to worry about, guys. The water coming in the yard because it runs, so cause the way all the yard slant, so the water off the road keep running for coming this direction to the house. Probably that's what I would have to worry about. And if there was to be like heavy wind, like the windows, I would have to worry about if the windows would withstand it, like, I don't know. But like I said, just hopefully not. We just get just rains and it will blow off. No. Yes, guys. So, sometimes we shouldn't that tell me the kind of content that you guys would like me to do, like more vlog, more cooking, more ear video, beauty video. Like sometimes you guys can leave suggestion down below. Let me know the type of videos that you guys want to see me upload. But for now, those line here. Yeah, let me go check my porridge. Guys, I'm putting on these slippers because my feet are cold. My feet are cold. Yes, okay. My kids talking online. I'm gonna check it. Yeah. I need a little water in there. Me the want, what me the want oatmeal and porridge. I will play that on the line. But them 7 for make American porridge. So that's what I'm making. Whew. Yes, guys. So when breakfast done, me checking back with you guys. Alright, yep. There is my breakfast, my American and my bologna sandwich. Yes, that's what I'm having for breakfast. They're in there. Them I have to give them first, so them and so yeah. Ew. Yes, guys, so this is the end of my morning. Yeah, so probably film another video during the day. Okay, guys, this is what my morning look like for now. The rain cool down a bit, but it's not done because it's still drizzling. And them did say it's gonna fall a little harder later. So yeah, I'm gonna mash up them food now. I'm gonna mash up my porridge and my sandwich now. Alright, guys, bye. Go out, Nanali. I said bye. I will see you in my next vlog. No? Next vlog, guys. I will see you guys next vlog. Alright? Bye.